Hey you guys, this is Ken.the.don here, and I'm so grateful that you decided to join us here on Mogul Talks. Listen up, we're going to talk with you guys today about a very interesting topic. That topic is the law of supply. That's right. Understanding that you have an infinite resource, okay? Infinite source of supply, and it comes from our great one. It comes from God. When you understand that everything that you need is in Him, you won't go another day worrying and stressing about provision, worrying and stressing about what the next day will bring, worrying and stressing about even what's going to come for your business or for your finances. Understanding in the law of supply that everything that you need is in Him. Listen, there's a scripture that says that our Father owns 1,000 cattle on 1,000 hills, all right, you guys? And understanding how to stand firm in your beliefs and stand firm in your notions to know that you don't have to worry for anything. Listen. We've already discussed the law of thinking, understanding that your mindset can shift your whole world, understanding that your perception breeds your reality. And when you understand that, then you're able to properly distinguish, hey, I am connected to the infinite source. And when I'm connected to the infinite source, I want for nothing. That is the law of supply, you guys. Understanding that everything that you need is in Him. And because He has creative power, you have creative power. So no longer are you going to worry. No longer are you going to stress. Instead of trying to figure out where your next meal is going to come from, create it. Instead of worrying where is your next deal going to come from, create it. Don't allow negativity to stop you. We've said it before. Fear can be a disabler, but use it as an enabler. Use it to fuel you and use the fear to understand. Yes, even though there is risk, I am connected to an infinite source of supply. I don't stress. I don't worry. Why? Because I know at the end of the day, whatever I need, as long as I pull on Him, as long as I lean towards Him, I will be okay. If your Ford breaks down, do you take it to the Chevy dealership? If your Mini Cooper breaks down, do you take it to the Chevy dealership? No, you would take that to Chrysler. If your Ford was broken, you would take that to the Ford dealership. Some of us need to learn how to go back to the manufacturer, all right? Stop going to the created beings looking for your answers. All of us are created beings. Animals are created beings. Everything here on this earth has been created by God. If you're looking for your answers, go straight to the source. This is Ken.the.don here. Thanks for listening in on the law of supply.